Yes, good morning. This is UAC Mr. Eric Wolf. We have a short message to the arm wrestling fans. Yes, this month we have go to the young Mr.
For today's tournament, right?
Yeah,
what do we have? Some two championship hammers today for the middleweight and the lightweight. So very exciting time here in the Philippines, here in Pampanga Resort.
Casa del Resort.
Casa del Resort looks very nice. Come stay here. Swimming pools here.
Yes.
And looks like some fantastic arm wrestling today. So good luck to everybody.
Welcome to the super match.
Yes. Oh yes. Super matches as well. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Eric Wolf of UAC. Thanks very much. Okay, today is a beautiful day because we have an amazing visitor here at Manila Polars and Abad Santos. Yes, I have another visitor from Tennessee. This is from Tennessee, UAC. What's your name, brother? Zach. Zach. It's another day. It's a beautiful day because it's another visitors to the Manila Polars. Mr. Zach, why you like arm wrestling and what benefits to our body? To the people, arm wrestling fans, we have to visit. We can help. You free.
The arm wrestling community is great. You can go anywhere in the world and call them and go train anywhere. You get to meet new people. It's a big family, no matter what country you're from. I've been here one day and I'm already family with these people. The benefit to your body is it keeps you in shape even when you get older. I'm 40 and it still keeps you in shape without beating up your body too much. And you don't have to run around, stuff like this, but as long as you stay strong, your health will stay strong.
You are 40?
40.
I'm 49. What? We have very the priest of the priest is BB priest. This has been another benefit to arm wrestling. To the arm wrestling fans, we have why arm wrestling fans to have a workout exercise to have any idea or technique.
The best thing I think everybody can work on is just wrist strength. Nobody has it like really naturally, but the better you can keep your wrist strong, the better you do on the table. You lose your hand and the match is over most of the time. But strong wrist, work on that and it'll be good.
Why is Mr. Sam, why the arm wrestling very important to avoid the
it keeps you out of trouble. It keeps you out of trouble. You have people you can go work with. Young men masculine.
Yes.
And masculine men protect people.
Yes. Thank you to the short visit to the Philippine arm wrestling. Your day is enjoy the day.
Yes. Thank you.
Table training. Thank you very much. Okay, good morning. It's we have visitors from country, sir?
From USA, Oklahoma.
Yes, Oklahoma, US Army Wrestling, USA. We have very glad to visit her in Manila Polars.
Well, thank you.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
David.
This is Mr. David. We have a glad Manila Polars to visit for arm wrestling, and you know, we have a message for the Filipino arm wrestler. From you is Mr. David. Sir, we have a brief to message us.
Okay, yeah. So just came out here from Oklahoma. Been here for about 2 weeks and just looked up the closest arm wrestling club and came out and met these great guys. Very strong. Makes me look like a new guy. So they're really great. So that's I'm just happy to be here and pull with these guys.
We have the idea technique or arm wrestling to the Philippine arm wrestler. You have message the Philippine arm wrestler. Why arm wrestler you like?
Oh, the arm wrestler I like all the top guys and then the local guys. Of course, Levon and Devin and all those guys are amazing. Yeah, I just I actually got into arm wrestling by watching the YouTube shorts, arm wrestling and Gasparini and all those guys. And,
We have a YouTube channel.
Yeah. So I'll start watching. My channel? I don't have a channel. I just have.
Okay. You know, you know the benefits of arm wrestling. Benefits to the body.
I don't know too many Filipino arm wrestlers.
Oh yes, yes.
But, I'm starting to learn.
And then, what benefits arm wrestling to the body? Oh, your great body, strong.
Strong? Like exercise? Yeah. So I do a lot of just regular weight training, but also with cables. I'll do a lot of hammer curls and stuff. And most important for me is getting my wrist strong, so that once you have control of the wrist, pretty much it's a little bit easier to finish if you have a good strong wrist.
Good.
So.
Okay. Thank you for your short visits. Manila Bowlers, my team is Manila Bowlers. Sir David, this day is enjoy your visit, enjoy in Manila Bowlers, and great enjoy the day.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.